So in this video, I'm going to go over this 21-volt lithium-ion mini electric chainsaw. So it's a powerful motor, high-grade battery, efficient cutting, pole saw attachable, and out of the box, ready to go. And they are true. Out of the box, this thing is ready to go. Here it is right here. It's a 6-inch blade. It already has the blade installed. Right here, you can take that off if you need to remove the blade, change the blade or whatever. I like the fact they give you a little cover right there. You've got the latching mechanism. You get the charger, a 21-volt battery to charge this thing. It just goes in right on the top or right there. A oiler, you do get some oil with it, a screwdriver, and it looks like a little brush and a little set of instructions that just blew away. Check out how easy this thing is to set up. Take that off, you can check it. We have a full battery on this thing. It is ready to go right out of the box. So they were not wrong on that. So let's go ahead, let's oil this blade up. So what you're gonna do, take some of that, put a little bit there, a little bit there. We are oiled. Let me grab some wood. I think I've got some logs over here, actually some good size logs, and we'll see what this thing can cut because it sounds like it's got some power, so let's get to it. Okay, first thing I'm gonna cut is this 2x4. Let's try it on a 2x4. You know what, if something cuts a 2x4, it'll cut about anything. Let me hold up my foot. 2x4s are actually, wow, it didn't slow down or anything on that 2x4. Let's try that again. You could build a house with this thing. I don't see any issues with a 2x4. Now this is a large log. So what I'm gonna do is see how it cuts this log right here. I like the fact it has that kind of kickback right there on it. Well, there it is. It went right through that thing. Now, obviously, that's maxing it out. You can see that's entire width of the blade right there. Let me go over here and do a little bit of pruning around and see how it does. Okay, so I've got a little tree limb here. I don't want to cut too much of it down because I used to hang stuff. But what I'm going to do is just check out how easy it can do some pruning on this because this is some hard wood. Look at that. That went through it like it was nothing. Let's try this one right here. Yeah, everybody, I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think it's going to be a great little addition to pretty much any of my garden kind of tools. And when I need to do some pruning around or kind of take down and maybe make some firewood or something, this is what I'm going to use. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, mini 21-volt electric chainsaw. See you on the next video.